If you're a mystery enthusiast, then you need to hear about the strange sounds being heard worldwide. Prepare to be intrigued. For years now, bizarre, unexplainable sounds have been heard in cities and remote areas alike. From deep, resonating booms to metallic screeches, these noises are leaving people puzzled and spooked. Some think they're natural phenomena like distant earthquakes or atmospheric disturbances. Others believe they might be supernatural, perhaps a sign of something otherworldly. Scientists have tried to crack the code. They say it could be tectonic plates shifting or even the hum of the earth itself. But no one knows for sure. Could it be a secret military experiment? Or maybe even a hidden message from the universe? One thing's for sure, these sounds are as mysterious as they are unsettling. And until we get definitive answers, the speculation will continue. So whether you're a skeptic or a believer, keep your ears open. Because the next time you hear an inexplicable sound, you might just be tapping into one of the world's greatest mysteries. Stay curious.